Greetings and welcome to this other lesson on presentation management. Presentation management involves using presentation software to create, design, and deliver engaging and visually appealing slideshows. A presentation is a powerful tool for communicating ideas, sharing information, and supporting verbal communication during meetings, conferences, or lectures. Presentation software enables users to combine text, images, charts, and multimedia elements to convey messages effectively and capture the audience's attention. Popular applications include Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Apple Keynote. These tools provide options for slide layouts, transitions, animations, and multimedia integration, making it possible to produce polished and compelling presentations suited for various purposes, from business proposals to educational lectures. In this lesson, we're going to discuss some techniques that you can use to develop basic presentation skills that is essential for administrative assistance. Let's get started. The first technique that you can use to develop strong presentation skills is to familiarize yourself with the presentation interface. So you have to start by exploring the main components of the software. This is going to be the same thing with all applications that you're going to use. When you open any application for the first time, you need to familiarize yourself with the interface. So with the presentation software interface, you're going to familiarize yourself with the slide pane, the ribbon, the slide sorter, and the notes section. So these features, they are available in Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Apple Keynote. In my case, I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint, and let's see how this works out. The slide pane, this is the slide pane. You can call it your presentation area. So it shows the current slide you are working on. And so you can add text here by typing. You can add text, images, shapes, or charts to build your presentation. So if I add a text here, it's going to enter if I type. Then you have the ribbon, which is similar to Excel. So the ribbon in presentation offers different tabs. So you have tabs here with a collection of commands and tools that appear once you click on the tab. Then you have a slide sorter. The slide sorter allows you to see all the slides in your presentation at once and rearrange their order by dragging and dropping. If I open add new slide, in this case I have 3 slides now. You see I can carry slides, I can sort these slides, I can arrange them, I can adjust them. So that's a slide sorter. Then we have the notes section. It is found at the bottom of each slide. This section allows you to add presenter notes that won't appear on the slides, but can help you during the presentation. So when you go to each slide, you have the notes section, and in the notes section, you can add notes that will not appear in the slides, but will be there for the presenter and can help the presenter when he's doing the presentation. The second technique that you can use to develop presentation skills is to create simple and well-structured slides. So start with basic text slides. Each slide should have a clear title and body text, and following a consistent structure. You can use bullet points or numbered lists to present key ideas. You're also encouraged to use built-in slide layout to structure content So PowerPoint, Google Slides, and the Apple Keynote, they provide default layouts for title slides, content slides, and comparison slides. So these layouts can help you present information neatly without having to manually arrange elements. And you can use the new slide button to add slides and select appropriate layouts for each one. Okay. Then the third technique you can use to develop presentation skills is use visuals and media to enhance content. So you can add relevant images, charts, and graphics to visually support your message. If you want to use graphs, you can use graphs to represent data and images that illustrate ideas. You are advised to keep visuals simple and avoid cluttering your slides. So use smart art and basic charts to organize complex information into easy to understand formats. Point number 4 is to incorporate transitions and animations sparingly. You find transitions on the Transitions tab, and you have animations on the Animations tab. You are encouraged to use them sparingly and use simple transitions like fade between slides for a smooth flow, and avoid overly dramatic transitions that can distract your message, and apply animations to specific elements like text or images to introduce content gradually. And you have to stick to simple animations like appear and avoid excessive use of flashy effects. Finally, you have to proofread and fine-tune your slides. Before finalizing your presentation, you have to proofread all content for spelling, grammar, and formatting issues. So you have to ensure that text is concise and avoid unnecessary repetition. Use the rehearse timings feature. It is found on the slideshow tab in the setup group. You have rehearse timings. And so what it does is that it permits you to practice your presentation and the time, how long you spend on each slide. This helps ensure you stay within your selected presentation time and pace yourself appropriately. Right. Thank you very much for watching this other lesson. Remember that proficiency in presentation is essential because you have to create impactful and professional presentations, and familiarizing yourself with key features such as slide creation, design options, and multimedia integration. This can enable you to effectively communicate your message. Mastering tools like slide transitions, animation effects, and the presenter notes also enhance your delivery and ensures that your presentations are engaging and well organized.